Okay, hello, good day, guys. So, welcome to this exciting video. And in this video, I'm actually going to show you guys a quick Solana airdrop that will take place in the Phantom Wallet. In recent times, I'm sure you guys must have witnessed the recent token launch on the Solana blockchain, the WEN token and the Jupiter token. They all did absolutely well. Like, a lot of people made huge sum of money, about $1,000, $10,000, $100,000. I'm telling you guys, the Solana project is way off the roof, and I heard that Phantom has raised over $1 million funds, I guess, and some portion of airdrop would be allocated to early participants. So, in order not to waste much of our time, I would let us head on to the purpose of this video. Okay, so first things first, because the airdrop is going to take I'm actually going to show you guys the airdrop on the Phantom wallet. Okay, so this is it here, guys. The Phantom wallet is a Solana wallet. It's a Solana wallet. They haven't launched their token yet, but there is huge anticipation and huge expectation of their token in the nearest future. Let's head on to the Phantom wallet. If you've not gotten the Phantom wallet, you can head on to your Play Store or your App Store, quickly download it, create a wallet, save your passphrase. Then, so we are in the Phantom wallet now. This is my Phantom wallet. This I have like 13 so so once you launch your Phantom wallet, you head on to this browser icon down here. This is the browser icon down here. Once you click on it, then you come up here and click on quest right here. You can see that there are two quests, the first one and the second one. I've actually claimed this one. I should have done a video earlier, but due to some reasons I skipped it. But maybe I would do an illustration in another wallet to show you guys. But it's quite simple. All you need to do is upload a photo or a video, give it a name and a description, then mint that particular NFT, and it costs about $2 worth of Solana in order to complete. Once you're done, then you come and claim the collectible. Once you claim it, it's gonna appear right here. You can see it. This was what I created. Got it right here. Then this is my collectible right here. You can see this is the current floor price here. Okay, so let's head back browser. So because I've completed this, I'll just head on to the second one, and you can see that the campaign is just 23 days left. So we have just 23 days left to actually complete this quest. So once you click on it, you click on start. Here they said go to drip.house/phantom for the quest page. Drip gives you free Solana collectible every week from top artists, creators, and influencers. Make a free transaction to subscribe. Connect your wallet and make a free transaction to subscribe to Drip airdrop. Required balance is 0.1 so. So what you actually the amount of so you actually need to mint this particular collectible is about 0.1 so, which is equivalent to about $9 to $10, I guess. So let us click on start. So click on start. It's loading up. Mind you, most of these retroactive airdrops definitely would need funding. I mean, you have to fund it with your money. So I advise, because whatsoever I teach here, whatsoever I give out here is not financial advice, but just based on research. And you also invest what you know that you can afford to lose. Thank you. So you can just go ahead and click on confirm transaction. Okay, you can see here I'm asked to confirm the transaction. No balance changes found. This transaction may be malicious. Only you skip all of this. Network fee, confirm. Verifying. Okay, so you'll be asked to choose a username. Just pick my starlight underscore 215. Okay, then I pick an avatar. I'll just pick this first one. Create a profile. Claim your droplet. Claim droplet. Claim your daily droplet. You can claim new droplets every 6 hours. Okay, so I'll just click on it, which is to say I can be coming back here every 6 hours to claim droplets. So droplets claimed. I'll just close that. And you've already claimed your droplet. Then continue. Then it says subscribe to channels. Start receiving free collectibles by subscribing to at least 3 creators. Then press continue. So I'll just click on audio, subscribe to about 1 2 3. I'll just pick some bunch of random creators. Then ads, I'll just pick 1 2 3. Games, pick 1 2 3, just randomly. Pick 4. Comic, pick 1 2 3, then 4. Then click on continue. Okay, I think I have to click on continue. Okay, you will soon receive collectibles from the collectors you subscribe to. Okay, play legendary locked in. Okay, next claim should be available in 5 hours. Current balance is 7. Okay, this is what I was able to claim, the 7 droplets. So purchase. Okay, no, I think this is not that relevant, since I'll have to be coming every 6 hours. All I just need to do is go ahead and play this game. Click on start. I really don't know what this game is all about, but it's looking like the Pokemon style. Light up this candle. Head on to this treasure. Get money again. Try again later. There's still a chance to lock in the upgrade. Okay. Share on Twitter. No. Tap to move. Okay. 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 So I think that's all. For this. Okay. I think that's all. So all I have to do, you can see here, it says completed. So all I have to do now is to claim the collectible. Claiming in progress. You earned a free collectible. Nice. So you can see quest has been completed. And as it said earlier, you can be coming back every 6 hours. I think some other collectibles, like some hidden collectibles as well, would also be displaying on your list of collectibles, and the rest. So you can be coming here every 6 hours to claim some. So that's it for this video, guys. So make sure you carry out similar tasks. If you have like 10, or I think a total of $13 to spare for this particular airdrop, for this particular tax, you can just go ahead. Trust me, it's actually worth doing. Okay, another thing you also need to do on the Phantom wallet is to do series of swap. I mean is to interact between tokens, swap between tokens. So this is what you have to do. You have to do it more frequently. You can see I have $3 worth of Solana. Okay, before then, there's something I also need to show you guys. You can see here my stake. If you have like minimum of like $1 or even lesser than $1, you can just stake your Solana. You can stake your Solana. This is also necessary. This is also necessary during the interaction. This is also necessary. Once you stake your Solana, I've already staked mine. You can see I've staked like, this is about $6 worth of Solana, which I staked here, and I think the reward will start reflecting after some days, I guess, and you can unstake if you want to. So all of this really counts. So heading to the swaps, I want to swap my, let's say I want to swap my Solana to let's see, I want to buy bonk. I want to buy bonk. I want to buy 0.01 bonk. This is okay, it's lesser than $1. Let's make it 0.02. Okay, I'm buying like $1.95 worth of bonk. So this is what I'll be getting. I'll just go ahead and review order swap or swap field. What happened? Sorry. Let's see, 0.03 worth of okay, let's go ahead and swap this. What's happening? I think bonk is having, let's swap to something else. Let's swap. Okay, let me choose radium. I think radium is 0.02. Okay, review order swap. Okay, so you can see here is swapping. So basically guys, the essence of doing all of this is to increase your volume of transaction, because the the more you keep interacting on the wallet, the more you swap between tokens, the higher chances of getting a large portion of airdrop. So that's what you just have to be doing, guys. You just have to be doing this at least five to ten times in a day. Swap between tokens. You can see here I've swapped. You can see here I've swapped and swapped and swapped. I've swapped Jupiter, I've swapped this radium, I've swapped. So you just have to be doing this so it would keep counting for you.